Hi everyone, it's the one and only Edlin Motsamai back here with another video. I just want to apologize for having no videos for the past 3 weeks. Is because, as you can hear, I'm actually sick, guys. I got flu. Okay, so therefore please bear with me. All right, so therefore, if you need any education regarding to AI and business, this is the video, as well as this is the channel for you. Make sure you do subscribe to it. I highly appreciate it. Also tell your friends about it. Also, another thing is I do have an app towards my AI service business whereby I teach AI as well as business and health education under AI. You can check it out on my comment section. Okay, now guys, how you're doing? I hope you're doing well. Yes, I don't have my makeup. Yes, I'm not looking the best. Is because I'm actually at home busy healing. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do this video is because I actually saw a funeral company or a business that I passed in Soweto. I think it was back last week. So therefore, they were having some insufficient issues regarding to their customer service issues and stuff, because I saw that a lot of people were complaining. So I said, no, let me give this information, because you might never know what funeral parlor will actually be watching me on YouTube and need this information, so they don't run up with that issue, that situation. Okay, now I hope you can hear me, guys. The first thing that I want to say is that if you're having a problem as a funeral parlor regarding to customer care, okay, and going towards what the family needs and the services, you can actually use AI. So what's going to happen is you're going to create an agent, an AI agent or an AI bot for free, or you can do it with a Fiverr freelancer whereby they actually created for you. Okay, so where you can do that is actually via Google Cloud. Okay, that's free of charge. You can create your AI agent there, or if you're not into all that whole entire technical stuff, you can go ahead and create it with a Fiverr freelancer. Okay, you can check via fiverr.com, and therefore a Fiverr freelancer will assist you with that. So whenever a customer comes through, you're going to send them the chatbot, and the chatbot is going to respond to every question regarding to the family and what they need. So you can just go ahead with the errands of the funeral plan. Okay, number two is that, say for instance, you want to create a memorial slideshow very quickly. So the fact that the family, gets everything on time. You don't have to go out of your way now to go and pay people to do that. No, you can create it for free with Gamma. Okay, Gamma AI actually assists you in creating slideshows for the memorial service. So go and create it there. Okay, so everything is done very well on time. Okay, the third thing is, if you want to do AI appointments and scheduling, so say for instance your appointments and scheduling regarding to undertakers and everything is going off balance, and you've got many funerals coming through, because I know the funeral industry is making a lot of money. Okay, so therefore I know that you're always busy. So what you can do is you can actually go to Calendly or Zoho bookings. Okay, now with Zoho bookings and Calendly, it will actually create a schedule and an appointment for you. I'm going to be writing all that there, okay, on the video, so relax, guys. So another thing is, say for instance, you need a voice assistant regarding to your customer care with, like, say for instance, some customers come through with complaints. You don't have to worry. You don't need coding with this. This is free of charge. Okay, this is called Synflow AI, whereby it actually assists you to get a voice, which is with an AI tool to assist customers in terms of their queries and complaints as well. Okay, the last one, guys, if, like, say for instance, you're having a problem with your paperwork or emails, you don't have to bother anymore. I'm giving you free AI tools to assist you as a funeral plan. Okay, so therefore it's Grammarly as well as Bit AI. Now, how they help is regarding to your paperwork of your funeral parlor, as well as the emails that are coming through regarding to customers' queries as well as invoices. Okay, so all these free tools, okay, you as a funeral parlor needs to use them. Reason being, it's going to speed up the process of your funeral plans, as well as all the families will be satisfied regarding to the services, and therefore they will keep on speaking about you. So that's how AI assists funeral parlors. Okay, now thank you so much for watching, guys. I highly appreciate it. Please, I apologize for this video and the following video. It's gonna be just mayhem because I'm just not feeling well, but I was here for you guys and I just missed you very much. It's just that I was not feeling well. But thank you so much for actually listening to me today, and make sure you do subscribe. And also another thing is, guys, if you are starting a funeral plan, or I mean I'm saying funeral plan, a funeral parlor, okay, make sure that you work with these AI tools until you can afford staff members, so that you can go slowly regarding to the processing. And then what will happen is, as time goes by, you're going to need people that are going to do this, especially young people, regarding to staff members to do these things with the AI tools for you. Okay, so please don't leave the staff members, because they are going to assist you, especially tech savvy staff members. You can actually go and hire them, and therefore they can do these services for you. But for now, as you are growing, or you're a startup, or you're a small funeral plan, which is my niche today, you need to use these tools to assist you. Bye, guys.